So let's look at another construction here dealing with perpendicular bisectors. Now that sounds pretty crazy, right? So before we start into how to do the construction, I want you to think about what these words mean, okay? So we should know construction. That means we're using a compass and a straight edge, right? Compass makes circles, straight edge makes straight lines. And then perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular means it makes 90 degrees, okay? So I want to construct something that's perpendicular, making 90 degrees, and then bisector, okay? So this word bisector means it's cutting it in half. A lot of people get it confused with the word intersection, where you have something crossing. It is going to cross, but it's going to cross in a special way. It's going to cross to where there's two equal segments. So we're going to show you how to do that using just circles and straight lines using our tools here in DeltaMath. All right, so with a compass and a straight edge, we want to construct a perpendicular bisector to QR. So I'm going to choose my compass tool here, and I'm going to draw a circle out. Now, you can go all the way out to Q if you want to. I like to go somewhere past halfway. It doesn't matter where, just as long as somewhere past halfway. So I'm going to go maybe to right here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, again, don't click on this point, but I can go up here, and I'm going to just kind of make an arc. Okay, not quite half the circle, but just something like that, okay? So there's my arc, okay? That's been drawn, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this circle, keeping it the same size, and then I'm going to drag that circle over here, okay? Notice, this arc, circle staying the same size, I'm going to drag it over here to Q, and I'm going to draw my arc from this direction. Okay, so what that does is it creates these two crossing points. If yours didn't create the two crossing points, you might need to go back, maybe bring the circle back and draw your arcs out a little further, okay? But you should end up with these two crossing points. So we're going to go ahead and use our line tool. We're going to go from here through here, okay? And so notice I've got a line that's a perpendicular bisector, and let's see if it makes sense, if it looks right. Okay, so yeah, these look like they're 90 degrees, and it looks like it's cutting these segments in half. So that's how we're going to use the compass and the straight edge to make a perpendicular bisector. We're going to make two arcs of the same length from the two different endpoints, and then we're just going to draw a line through the connecting points, or through the crossing points. And let's check our answer. All right, and that looks good. So there you go. That's how you construct a perpendicular bisector.